So recently, former Leicester City midfielder Hamza Chaudhary played for Bangladesh, and we have all seen how good his performance was. उसके बाद से ही discussions and questions were there कि why we are not allowing OCI players to play for our national team. Jahan, we have also talked about it in our previous videos. So a few days back, AIFF President Kalyan Chaubey said that Indian football is actively working on bringing in and adding OCI players to the current national team, which is really a great news. And उसके साथ साथ recently our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah also tweeted that the new and updated OCI portal is running. उसके बाद से there are countless discussions on who should we pick for our national team, who will come and help our national team, etc. etc. So guys, तुम्हारे लिए it's not possible to judge each one of the players and see who's better, who's not, who will help us the most, etc. etc. So don't worry, we are here. So guys, this is Football Uncut. Today we will rank 5 OCI players who India definitely needs right now. The rankings will be precise and उसके साथ हम लोग ये भी बताएंगे कि why we have ranked them in that position. अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. उसके साथ साथ प्लीज प्रेस द बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन सो दैट यू डोंट मिस आउट ऑन एनी नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम अस. अभी भी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो हमारे वीडियोस तो देखते हैं बट हमें सब्सक्राइब नहीं. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू अस. वी विल गिव यू द बेस्ट कंटेंट in Indian and international football. So let's begin with our rankings. For starters, we have already excluded players like Sarpreet Singh, Luciano Narsingh and many more. Why? Because if we take the example of Sarpreet Singh, he already plays for New Zealand and New Zealand is way higher than India in the FIFA ranking. तो कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है इस बात का that he will leave New Zealand to come and play for India. And Luciano Narsingh की अगर बात करें, he was a Dutch player. He is 34 years of age right now and he has already played his part in his career. So I don't think he will join the Indian national team to help us. Please comment down below if you agree with this argument. अगर तुम agree नहीं भी करते हो तो भी बताना please. So let's begin. At number 5 we have Brandon Khela, Birmingham City's first ever South Asian signing of their history. Same club where a certain Jude Bellingham used to play. A central midfielder only 20 years of age. जिसने इंग्लैंड यूथ नेशनल टीम के लिए भी खेला है. He is currently playing for Bradford City in England's 4th tier championship. Championship experience के साथ साथ he also has FA Cup and EFL Cup experience too. He will be a good addition to the team and give good competitions to midfielders like Apuya, Anirudh Thapa Sahal and many more that we already have in our team. At number 4 we have Dylan Markande, a 23-year-old right winger from Leyton Orient. जो इंग्लैंड के 3rd टायर चैंपियनशिप में खेलती है. He is a Tottenham youth product who has also played for Tottenham main team in the Europa League. उसके साथ साथ he has also played for Blackburn Rovers. Young, fast, dynamic, he will definitely help the Indian national team especially in the wing. कैरियर स्टैट्स की अगर बात करें, he has played 199 मैचेस जिसमें he has scored 55 goals and provided 26 assists. Not bad, right? He will definitely help the Indian national team. At number 3, we have two players. First, Malvinder Singh Benning, commonly known as Mal Benning, a experienced left back who plays for the 3rd tier English Championship team Shrewsbury. He is good at direct free kicks. He already has 5 assists this season. उनके पास EFL और FA Cup का भी experience है. 31-year-old left back who can definitely help the Indian national team with his experience. With over 488 matches in the England Championships, a solid addition to the team along with Roshan Singh and Shubhashish Bose at the left back position. And his best part, he is very versatile. He can also play as a left winger too. And उसके साथ साथ एक leader whose name is Daniel Tanveer Bath, also known as Danny Bath. 34 years of age, at 6'3", he is a strong and solid centre back. He will be the leader at the back. English 2nd tier champion, English 3rd tier champion. उसके साथ he also has FA Cup and EFL Cup experience. 34 years of age है, so don't expect him to be here for a long time. But for a solid 2 to 3 years, he can definitely help Indian national team at the back. We all know हमारा defense कितना faulty है, so he can definitely be the solution to our problem. Wolves, Sheffield, Strokes, Sunderland, Norwich, you name it. Currently at Blackburn, he will be an experienced addition to the Indian national team with over 540 matches in English championships. Before we move into the top 2, Here are our honorable mentions. Arjan Singh Rekhi. He could have got the 5th position, but currently his form is not that good. A central midfielder who's from the Aston Villa Youth Academy, who has also played for Leicester City. Currently, he is playing for Tamworth in the England 5th Tier Championship. Don't worry, don't judge him by the competition. He is there from Leicester City on loan. He is only 22, so he has lots of time to develop. Next is Sai Sajbeh, a 20-year-old right back who's playing for Sheffield's under 21 team. उसके पास इंग्लैंड अंडर 17, अंडर 18 और अंडर 19 नेशनल टीम का भी एक्सपीरियंस है. One who can definitely help us in the future. And lastly, Ajay Matthews, a 18-year-old Middlesbrough youth product who's a center forward. Currently, he is at Millwall FC, jahan he is yet to debut for this club. He also has England's under 17 and under 18 national team experience, and his youth stats are quite impressive. 24 goals and 7 assists in 54 matches. Not bad, right? He can definitely help us in the future. Only 18 years of age, still plenty of time to grow. At second position, we have Yan Dhanda. Guys, तुम सभी को इसके बारे में already बहुत कुछ पता है. He is already very hyped right now. Yan Dhanda hyped होने के लायक भी है. He is a Liverpool youth product and has also played for Swansea City. He has already played in the UEFA Conference League. He is a creator, an attacking midfielder we definitely need right now, who can break defenses with just one pass. We all know how important attacking midfielder role is in football. Currently, he is playing for Hearts in the Scottish Premiership, जहाँ पे clubs like Celtics and Rangers also play. Career stats की अगर बात करें तो he has over 220 matches, जिसमें he has scored 31 goals and provided 37 assists. Very, very impressive. One, India should definitely give chance if possible. And finally, at number 1, we have not one but 2 players. Sorry to disappoint guys, but Rodrigo is not in this list. Carlo Ancelotti के Brazilian national football team coach होने के बाद, he has decided to continue with his Brazilian nationality. A sad day for all the Indian football fans. Last कुछ सालों से we are looking for our GOAT Sunil Chhetri's replacement, and these two are the perfect candidates for that. At first, we have Andre Lakshmikant. Born and brought up in Portugal, he is a Braga youth product and has also played for Braga's B team. जहाँ पे our GOAT Sunil Chhetri couldn't crack into the Portuguese main league, he already did and helped his current club Estoril finish at 8th in the standings, their best finish in the last 8 years. He has scored 5 goals and provided 3 assists. एक ऐसा player who is definitely needed for our national team. Tall, strong left foot and also versatile. He has been also included twice in the Portuguese Liga Team of the Week. Career stats की अगर बात करें, he has played 137 matches, जिसमें he has scored 31 goals and provided 10 assists. Another candidate for Sunil Chhetri's position is Manpreet Sarkaria. Honestly speaking, Manpreet Sarkaria is the best player in this whole list. His stats will definitely blow your mind. A center forward who has played 359 matches and scored 97 goals and provided 73 assists. Very, very impressive. अभी वो currently Chinese league में Shenzhen Peng City के लिए खेल रहे हैं. Though unlikely he will join us, but if India somehow gets him, it will be a game changer for us. A 28 years old Austrian league veteran who can easily give us 5 to 6 years. Austrian OFB Cup winner, जिस competition में he was also the top scorer of the competition. उसके साथ साथ 2 times Austrian Cup winner and also 2 times Austrian champions too. He used to play in the same league जहाँ RB Salzburg खेलती है, जहाँ एक certain robot named Erling Haaland used to play. And with that, he also has Austrian national team experience. He is definitely needed in our team. Tall, clinical, and also versatile. He also has 5 goals plus assists this season in only 13 matches. Let's see if he joins our team, but if he does, our strikers problem will be solved. Before we end this video, we want to talk about something. See, bringing in OCI players is definitely a good decision, but with that, ये एक short term solution है. हमें किसी परमानेंट सोल्यूशन की ओर ध्यान देना चाहिए. एंड एज वी हैव सीन इन दिस लिस्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स इफ दे प्ले फॉर इंडिया विल ओनली प्ले फॉर इंडिया because they haven't got the chance to play for their current national team. जहां मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेयर्स हैवेंट इवन प्लेड इन द टॉप टायर लीग ऑफ देयर कंट्री। सो उनसे कोई स्काई हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो मत ही रखना कि दे विल टेक इंडिया फ्रॉम 127th रैंक डायरेक्टली टू टॉप 30-40। और उसके साथ साथ वी ऑल नो हाउ थिंग्स इन इंडिया वर्क्स। सो अभी तो जस्ट बात हुई है, दे विल स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग ओसीआई प्लेयर्स। अब देखते हैं इन रियलिटी कितने दिन लगते हैं उसको इम्प्लीमेंट। And again, we are saying that this is a short term solution. We should look into a permanent solution, a permanent roadmap to help India play in the World Cup. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, and with that also share this video with your friends. Do let us know in the comments if you agree with our rankings or not. उसके साथ साथ do let us know in the comments कि आपके पास अगर पावर होता तो आप किस OCI प्लेयर को इंडिया टीम में खिलाते। We read all your comments, so don't forget to comment. So guys, this was our top 5 list of the OCI players we definitely need in our Indian national football team. Do subscribe to us. हम ऐसे videos लाते रहते हैं. And with that, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. ऐसा content आपने फुटबॉल में कभी नहीं देखा होगा. That is our guarantee. So this is Football Uncut. See you in the next one.